Yo, on a random Friday evening while I was trying to write my upcoming script, I felt like I am facing a creative block. Yeah. The script was not going forward, but I was confident with what I have written. So, obviously, I felt every other artist might have had this. I started pondering. Yeah, I did quite multiple things. I tried reading books, I tried writing my thoughts, I tried watching videos for inspiration, whatnot. But at every point, it felt like something was missing. I was not getting closer to what I wanted, that is, to finish the script. And I did what every or any sane person would do, that is. But wait. I just said that is what any sane person would do. Like, come on, bro. Do you think you are really sane to do something like this? Obviously not. I was like, this might be something out of insanity I'm doing. Insanity, not sanity. But yeah, so I was like, let's just start recording or creating or capturing or logging or memorizing or whatever you feel the process of where I was facing a creative block, which ended up to be this piece of work. And but then even I was like, something though is missing. It is not as complete as it is supposed to be, but it is also not a stupid thing. So I was like, what and where, when then. And that is when I believe I came to this conclusion of what you are watching right now. Alright, wait. I think I need a break. Not a physical break, but a creative break. Just a minute. So the point is, it was never really about the creative block. It was never a block, to be honest. And while I was making the coffee and while I was deep diving into the process of doing all of this, I realized that, bro, it was never a creative block. It was never a block because it is not like I'm out of ideas. It is just that I am with multiple ideas. It's like I've got like crazy number of ideas when I was basically trying to make something out of which I believe that this is not going to sit in this place. So I was like, where am I faltering? If it is not about not getting ideas, then what is it about? Is it about overthinking? I guess it is good to have overthinking in a creative space. You tend to get many more ideas than usually it is. So, for everyone out there, if you really think you're getting a creative block, trust me, it should be because of getting multiple ideas, not because of you are out of ideas. Because that's just not possible. That is not just possible. By the way, the coffee is good. Yeah. Sayonara.